Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and today we're doing a walk-around presentation with my LED flashlight on this absolutely gorgeous early 1950s Wayne Model 80 Mobilgas themed double-sided gas pump. This is a absolutely stunning piece. Like automobiles, we do specialize in number 1 and number 2 condition vehicles. I would say the same thing goes for the Automobilia. This is clearly one of our number 1 condition pieces. There's a lot of vintage gas pumps that are currently on the market for sale, but there's only a handful of ones that are restored to the quality of this particular piece here. So if you come a little closer, you will clearly see how spectacular it was. The way that we understand it from the research that we did is Wayne bought out Martin and Schwartz, which was in Maryland in the early 1950s. So this tag that's in the corner here, this is an original tag that actually shows the model number and the original serial number of the piece, which is really cool. And again, this piece here is just stunning. When you look at the quality of the bodywork, a lot of times these can be pretty dented or pretty wavy, and even though people paint them, you can see a lot of imperfections. This is one that somebody spent some serious time and serious money on as far as the quality not only of the body, but also of the paintwork. This is clearly a piece that was painted with automotive quality paint, and the guys in our detail department spent a lot of time not only detailing the exterior, but also the interior as well. So I'm going to show you the interior in a second. Before I get to that, let's start from the top. This is a cool piece. This is the only pump we've ever actually had that actually has this piece on here that actually indicates what the price is per gallon. Includes all taxes and so forth. That can obviously be changed if the new owner desires to do so. But as I mentioned, this is a double-sided pump. We'll show you the other side here in a second. But you will see Mobilgas is actually lit here, which is really bright and vibrant. And down here, where you would see the price and the gallons and so forth, that is actually lit as well. We clearly have it set up here with our extension cord and everything else, but it is in great working order. Now, talking about the rubber seals here, they're in brand new condition. This piece that was put on the front here that just indicates the Mobilgas with the Pegasus and so forth, that's brand new. All of this chrome work here is like brand spanking new. Again, with the LED flashlight, if I see anything at all on the front here, even the hose, which is a Goodyear rubber hose, the nozzle, everything is new. If I see anything worth noting, even down by the base, it's in beautiful condition. There might be the tiniest little blemish here. I just want to make sure I mention that. And there's another little tiny blemish here, but again, you have to catch it at the right light. But this is absolutely a stunning restoration. It's got these really cool vents here on the side. Chrome knob. Handles new. Again, this piece here from Martin & Schwartz is new. The original tag, this here has been added as well. Contains lead. Again, look at the quality of this. I don't see any imperfections worth noting. Here, we push this open. Okay, there's a lever in here that you just basically move forward, and that allows you to actually open the piece. It swivels on these hinges that are like new. But look at the quality of this interior work here. The guys actually cleaned a lot of this. You can see how nice this is inside. Clearly the original mechanisms and parts were removed, as they are in 95% of restored gas pumps, but it is super clean. When you close it, it just pivots very nicely here. It just closes so nice and tight. Again, not always the case. You take the lever, you just push the lever back down. It literally grabs it so it's secure. It works really simply. As we work our way over to the rear, again, I'm just using my LED flashlight just to highlight any imperfections. Again, it's in beautiful condition. This side is as nice as the other side. Again, the base is in beautiful shape. Look at this, absolutely like new condition. I would note the only thing worth mentioning on this entire side, and again, you might not even see it in the camera, but on the edge here, it's just a little thin as far as the paint goes, but still something that, again, I'm being really fussy. This clearly falls, like I said, into the #1 category, and you can see the final side here. We have the vents. We have all of this here has been restored, the nozzle, the handle, all of that. Even the screws on here are in like new condition. This piece that attaches here, there's a little tiny chip out of that piece there, but again, just being very particular, okay? This is a great display piece. I want to mention to anybody who's considering purchasing this piece that we do have a larger version of this exact style gas tank, which is actually directly against the wall there. That is something I would consider selling. We also have a air meter from the same generation, which is also matching. So I would consider selling all three of them to the new owner. The other two pieces, the larger gas tank and the air meter, I don't have any plans of listing those anytime soon. I just wanted to mention that right now we are, focusing on just selling this as an individual piece. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can give us a call, send us an email, get all the information off of our website at msclassiccars.com. I also will mention for anybody who's concerned about shipping, MS Classic Cars at no charge. We'll put this in our new box truck. We have a power lift gate. We will secure it and we will take it to our local craters and freighters. They take care of crating the automobilia for us and handling the shipping and so forth. And you, the new owner, can deal with them directly, pay them directly. So shipping anywhere in the lower 48 United States will not be an issue. So we appreciate you watching this video. We would ask that you sign up for our VIP newsletter so you can follow us closer and also follow us on our social media platform. Appreciate you watching. Keep it classic. And as always, rock and roll.